right, we're on our compact hybrid. We can run a paper belt or we can run our cleaning and recovery trolley. If you'll notice, the rolls and the scraper blades are two different lengths. The first one is shorter than the second one. The same goes with the scraper blades. This first scraper blade is shorter than this one here. Okay, the one on the left is longer than the one on the right. It is possible to put these in backwards. The frame of each of these blades is the same length. So you want to make sure that you have the first one coming in contact is the shortest. The second one that comes in contact is the longest. This will prevent paint from getting on the underside of your belt. To make sure the trolley is in the correct position, you want to take this pin. It goes through the hole here and through the hole here on the frame of the trolley. And that lets you know that the cleaning trolley is in the correct position.